Okay, everybody, so before we get into anything more detailed of the system, what I want to do is download Google Chrome. I'm a Chrome guy. I like Chrome. Some people like Firefox. Some people like Edge. You do you, okay? There's nothing wrong with any of the choices that you choose to do. There are some people out there who treat internet browsers as though it is a political choice or a religious choice. All right, so, you know, in the world of gaming computers, there are things that you just don't argue over because everybody has their own opinions. And that is browsers, right? You never argue over politics, never argue over religion. And I'm throwing that out there. You never argue over browsers, okay? So it's my personal choice. And we're going to go ahead and load up Microsoft Edge. And I'm going to go ahead and do a search for Google Chrome. And that's what I want to do. I want to download Google Chrome so that I can get it installed. This browser is built by Google Chrome. That's great. Then that's what I want to do. Help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending user statistics. No, like I said, there are millions of people out there doing this. They don't need my one user statistic. So I could care less about it. Download Chrome. And you can see at the bottom, it's asking you, what do you want to do? Do you want to save it or run it? Sometimes I save it and then I run it from the file. And sometimes I just run it. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Let's see, I'm going to do that. Why not? So I'm running Google Chrome. I would imagine it's running in the background. There is no indication window. Let me see if there's anything behind it. Nope, nothing behind it. Hey, there we go. Okay, so now it's telling me, do you want to app change device, stuff like that? Yes, obviously you got to click yes. Anytime you click no, it stops installing and you're done. All right, so you always have to click yes. It says waiting to install. Now it is installing. Installing nicely. Let's go ahead and it's already a Chrome user. Sign in. I can sign in. I won't get to do that now. Get started and next. Pick a background. I got my own background I'm going to deal with later. So as of right now, set default. So now my Chrome is set as a default. All right. So let's see here. Microsoft Edge, choose an app, Chrome. Chrome is now my default browser. See it right down there popped up. So you got to change that. Okay. You got to change that. And then you can close this, close that, close that. And I should have a Google Chrome app connection icon should be right over here. Right there is the Google right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create shortcut. Do you want to create the shortcut? Yes, I do. I'm going to bring this down to the bottom, drag and drop it right down here to my taskbar. So now I have Google Chrome on my taskbar right there for those of you who could see that. All right. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, pull it up, and then I'll start to make this my default browser, okay? Cool. Now let's go ahead and get into some benchmarks, ladies and gentlemen. So before we get any farther here, what I want to do is add the My Computer desktop icon, My Computer icon to the desktop. As you can see, there is no My Computer on any of these. I use it frequently, so I need it. You may not need it, but I do. So in order to add it to your desktop, you're going to go to right-click anywhere on the computer here. Right-click. Let's do it right there. Click on Personalize. Click on that. And then from here on the left-hand side, you're going to go to Themes. You see that Themes right there where my mouse is? Click Themes. Then all the way over here to the right, you're going to click on Desktop Icon Settings. Click on that. Then you're going to swing on back over here, and we've got this PC. So that is computer. So we're going to click on this computer tab right there. And we're going to click apply. And boom, look at that. Just as a miracle, this shows up right there. Right there. You can see it highlighted at the bottom left-hand side. Okay. So there we go. Then you're going to just click OK. Close this window. And now you have your PC. You're going to move it around. Put it wherever you want. You could adjust it up on the top here. So that's what I do. I usually put my recycling bin 1 or 2 apps below. This here and this here. I don't need the new egg icon, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. It's just going directly to newegg.com, so I don't need that. Get rid of that. I'm not getting rid of these two yet, ABS or ASR BLED yet, because I don't know what it is. And App Shop, I'm not getting rid of either. So that's what we're doing to add my desktop, okay? All right, so now I've got Google Chrome set up down here. I just pinned it to the bottom taskbar. You do that by simply dragging it to the taskbar and you let it go, okay? That's as simple as that. So now everything is set up the way I want it. I like it. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to get into the next section.